Okay, everybody, we will begin to continue the process. This is actually for the Max-heap as well. However, we'll begin to perform the deletion operation. So for deletion operation, as what I have mentioned to you, that we will begin to delete only the root node. So say for example, if I'll begin to instruct you that we will begin to delete 3 times. Oh, sorry, we will begin to delete 3 times. So of course, we will begin to delete this one. For one at a time. So right now, once you will begin to delete the first one, it will be 90 that will begin to be deleted. So therefore, the last leaf node will be you will begin to work on that. It will you will begin to bring the last leaf node into the root as the new node, and then you will begin to do the heapify afterwards. So what will gonna happen right now? Suppose that you are deleting for the first deletion. First deletion is 90 will be removed. So therefore, it will become 20 as the root node, and then 63, and then 70 will keep as is. Before we'll do the EP file later on, 9, then 10, and 50, and then 25, and 30. So we just removed 20 at the leaf node because that is the last leaf node, and we'll begin to change that into the root node, and that will serve as the new root node already. So that's how you will begin to work on with that one. So afterwards, what will going to happen? You will begin to work on with the heapify. What is heapify for the deletion? You will begin to compare the root node into the child node. So 20, I'm so sorry, 20, since we are doing working with the Max-heap, who among in this operation, in this child node, 63 and 70 do have the largest element, which will be 70. So therefore, 70 and 20 will be swapped. So it will become like this. So 70, then 63, and then 20. Then keep as is. Because we can work on this one by one at a time. And then afterwards, 25 and 30. So in this case, since 20 is here already, you will begin to work on, you will begin to compare that into the lowest, I mean, in the next child, which will be the 10, 50. So what will be, or which of 10 and 50 do have the highest value? Then the 20, that is 50. So we can swap 20 and 50 accordingly. So what will gonna happen? 63, and then 50 will go up, and then 20 will go down, and then 10. So this is how the structure will, okay, 25 and then 30. Okay, now, since 20 has been moved into the leaf node, so therefore that has been set into the, we're able to work on that carefully, and that is already following the Max-heap principle, and that is for the first deletion. Then for second deletion, so second deletion, we are removing 70. Okay, so removing 70, therefore the last leaf node is 30, and 30 will go into the root node. So it will become 30, then copy as is, 63 and 50, and then 45, 59, and then 10 and 20, and then 25 and 30, 25 only, since we're able to remove 30 and make it as a root node. So 25 will be left into the leaf node. Now what will gonna happen? Here then, 30, you will begin to check. Since 30 is our new root node, you will begin to heapify that one, since we're not following yet the Max-heap principles here. So comparing that into the child node, which is 63 and 50, so which will be the which of the two do have the largest value? That is 63. So 63 and 30 will be swapped accordingly. So 63. I'm so sorry for the for that noise, because my puppy is actually playing um under the table. Okay. So 30 will go down, and then 50 will keep us this, and 45, 59, and then 10 and 20, and then 25. So comparing that 130, we will compare that to the child node already. So 30, the child node will be 45 and 59, which will be the element is actually largest. So 45, 59, between the two, that is 59. So therefore, we will begin to swap 59 and 30. So it will become 59 here, and then 30 will be here then, and then 45. So 30 has been moved to the leaf node already. So that means to say we're following the Max-heap right now. So um, this will be the Max-heap tree that you do have right now. So since that is the second deletion, we'll begin to work on with the third deletion already. So the third deletion will begin to remove 63. Since as what we mentioned, we can only remove that topmost element. So by removing that one, the last leaf node is actually 25. So 25 will be the new root node. So it will become 25, then copy as is, and you have to copy before you will do the heapify. Okay, just make sure to remember that class. So 10 and then 20. So what will gonna happen here then? Under the 25, you will begin to check which will be the element do have the highest value. So 59 and 50. So 59 will go up definitely. So 59, then 25 will go down, then 50 keep as is, then 45 keep as is, and 30, then 10 and 20 keep as is. Now, 25 is already in the second level. Compare 25 into the to the next child, which will be 45 and 30, which will be the element do have the largest value right there, which is 45. So 45 will go up and it will be swapped into the 25. So 59 and then um 45, and then 50, and then 25 will go down, and then 30 will keep as is, and 10 and 20 will keep as is. So therefore, this is the final operations for the deletion, for the third deletion. So hopefully that you were able to understand this carefully, class, in a step-by-step process, and you need to make sure that you need to work on with this one accordingly, because if you will not begin to do it step by step, it will be wrong accordingly. Thank you so much, and I hope hopefully that you were able to understand this one. I'm going to give you a long piece of pertains to those operations that has been discussed. Thank you and goodbye.